Hey guys, this is Brysan Duval. I am a full-time real estate investor here in the St. Louis, Missouri market. I was introduced to Dave years ago, stayed in touch with him, and when he got into business, he was the first one I reached out to really even learn about wholesaling. I had no idea what it really was. So he really walked me through the fundamentals of wholesaling, closing my first deal. I think, I did probably my first 5 or 6 deals with him, joint ventures with Dave and his company. So, still to this day, he's a person I can reach out to at any time with help with deals, analyzing things, just for general direction. He's a solid guy. You know, he's become a friend of mine over the past few years as well. But I just like it because he's super no nonsense, you know, straight to the point, about going about marketing and things like that, putting systems in place, and it makes it really simple. It's just not complicated to follow. So I would recommend him as a resource to anybody out there trying to get into wholesaling, trying to scale their business or anything like that.